Welcome to QRS tutorial, adding a team member. To add a team member, you simply go to the main menu bar in your dashboard and select Team, and from the drop-down menu, select Add a Team Member. Once there, you must add the name, email, the role, base zone, and work type. Those are compulsory. All the other information, contact info, and address are not compulsory. So we'll add our new team member. We'll choose reporter for this team member. Remember, an admin, a manager, they are both a reporter. An admin is also a manager and a reporter. Anywhere you see the black circle with the question mark, just put your mouse over it and it will tell you what's required of you to do. So for base zones, this is to choose the zones this reporter works in. You don't have to choose a zone, but it can make it easier to find this team member if you have a large team. So for now, we're going to choose Toronto. Next is work type. You choose the work type or types that describe the tasks that this team member will be responsible for. So for example, we're going to choose Home Watch, but this person also does cleaning. Here you have preferred work time. This is not compulsory. This is just added information. It just specifies the work hours and the days that this employee is available if you want to add it in. This team member will put that they like to work from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Next is the contact info. We're going to just put in their phone number. And we don't have to worry about this other information for now, but you can fill that in if your team member has a cell phone, landline, emergency, or emergency contact numbers. The next, we're going to put in their street address. And we'll choose a province. In the US, you'll choose a state, and you'll put a zip code in. Here we'll put in a postal code. Canada is chosen already. Notes. We can add special notes about this employee. These are things you don't want to forget about this team member, and so here we want to say that Santa is allergic to cats. The next thing is we have two settings here. Disable assignment notifications is the first one, and by default an assignment notification is sent to the team member when an assignment has been created for them. You tick this to disable those emails and disable report notifications. If you tick this, that means that the team member will not get any notification. They'll have to log into their dashboard or they'll see it on our mobile app. Next is allow reporting with no corresponding assignment. What this means is that this allows this team member to scan any QR code at any time without a corresponding assignment. If this is not ticked, the team member will only be able to scan a CRID the day it was assigned to them. We allow reporting with no corresponding assignment. This allows the reporter to go to any QR code at any time. As long as they have the right zone and they have the right work type, they can scan the QR code and get the information, alarm codes, and also they can get a checklist and do a report. One thing to remember is that when a person is not assigned and they scan a QR code and do a report, it's automatically recorded into the scheduling system built into our software. So once that's done, we simply click create the new team member, and now that person is now part of the team, and you can see here that they've been actively invited, but they haven't accepted the invitation yet. Our next tutorial will show you the steps that the team member takes from the time they receive the invitation email until they log into their own personal dashboard.